What are the main components of information technology? The main components of information technology are hardware, definition, physical devices and components in IT. Examples: computers, desktops, laptops, tablets, servers, powerful computers that provide resources and services to other computers on a network, peripherals, printers, scanners, keyboards and mice, networking devices, routers, switches, modems, which connect computers and manage network traffic, storage devices, hard drives, SSDs, solid-state drives, USB flash drives which store data, software, definition, programs and applications that run on hardware, categories, system software, manages hardware and software resources, operating systems, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, which provide a user interface and manage hardware, utility software, antivirus programs, disk cleanup tools, application software, perform specific tasks for users, productivity software, Microsoft Office, Google Docs, multimedia software, Photoshop, video editors, games and entertainment, video games, media players, networks, definition, systems that connect computers to share resources and information, types, local area network, i.e. LAN, connects computers within a limited area like a home, school or office, wide area network, WAN, connects computers over large geographic areas such as cities or countries. The Internet is the largest one. Wireless networks, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, which use radio waves to connect devices without physical cables. Data definition, information processed and stored by IT systems, forms, text, documents, emails, images, photos, graphics, audio, music files, voice recordings, video, movies, video clips, databases, structured collections of data like customer records or inventory lists. Importance: data is critical for decision-making, communication, and many business processes.